I'd like to request the family, come grab a handful of soil. Family, children. Lelo, Modoni, come forward, all the children, come forward. The rest of the family as well, please come forward. For the people standing here on my left, just if you could just move back a little bit, folks, just a little bit. Kidogo to just observe these the health standards. Thank you. All right. Waishimiwa, please, Waishimiwa. Bonamadi, just some soil, some soil. Come, Governor, Senator, please come forward, please come forward. And let's get the flowers ready, folks. Let's get the flowers. We're going to lay them symbolically, because it's going to take a while to fill this, so symbolically. Family flowers, get ready. Speaker Karibu, you can grab a handful of soil. Waishimiwa, please come forward. We're going to lay the flowers now. Modoni family, Mama June, Mama Mary, please get ready with your flowers, please. Let's get the flowers ready, folks. Mama June, Mama Mary. Children, please come forward. We'll symbolically put the flowers and then later on we can replace them. And the children, Children. Is that the children? Honorable Speaker's flowers, please. And Governor Nyoro, and Majority Leader in that order. Speaker, you'll also lay one for His Excellency the President after yours.